everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybroses. In today's video, we will discuss about preventing zero-priced products in Odoo. In Odoo, preventing the sales of zero-price product is a valuable feature that helps to maintain accuracy and avoid potential issues. So, when a customer attempts to add a product with zero price to their cart, the system will interrupt the actions and redirect them to the specified URL. So, this prevents from the accidental orders and ensures a smoother shopping experience. To manage with the preventing zero price product, we just need to enable this feature. For that, we can just navigate into the website module. From there, head into the configuration and where we can find the section called shop. So as you just drag down here, you can see the section shop product. From there, we just need to enable the prevent sales of zero price product. So if the product price equals zero, that will replace add to cart by contact us button. So as you said this, you cannot do an accidental buy of the item when the product price is set to zero. So once this is set, we can just move on to the e-commerce in order to just manage with the product. So let's move on to the product, and here you can see I'm going to choose a product as a desk combination, and here you can see that the sales price is currently 450. Now let me just change it as 0, and here we just need to prevent from the accidental purchase of the item by the customers. So sometimes if the sales price is 0, the customers may think that the item is available for free, but none of the e-commerce provide the items for free, right? So we just need to remove or the accidental purchase by setting prevent from zero price product. So once this is set, we can just move on to the website. So as you just move on to the website, here you can see that this is not available for sale as the price is set to 0. And we can just see the contact us button over here. Because in the settings, we have specified a URL to redirect the customers when they try to add a zero price product to their cart. So this could be the contact page and a custom error or any other relevant pages. So by following these steps, you can efficiently or effectively manage the prevent the zero. By following these steps, you can effectively prevent the sale of zero price product in your Odoo store by safeguarding your business and customer experiences. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.